held your words like fragile glass, each one a promise meant to last. But they shattered, oh, they shattered in my hands. The echoes linger, faint and cold, a story lost, a lie retold. You said forever, but forever lied. Left me here, left behind. Promises fade like stars at dawn. Now I'm here and you're long gone. Your shadow dances on the wall, a ghost of what I thought was all. But it slips away, it slips away like sand. If love's a flame, it burned too fast. Ashes fall, the past won't pass. I'm chasing smoke, I'm chasing air. You're nowhere, you're nowhere. You said forever, but forever lied. Left me here, left behind. Promises fade like stars at dawn. And now I'm here and you're long gone. You're long gone. You're